Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can change your mouse speed. So at first we have to go for the settings, next pick devices, go for mouse, and then in this place we can change speed of our mouse by moving this slider on the right or the left to increase and decrease speed of our mouse. As you can see right now, it's very hard to move it quickly because we reduce speed of our cursor, so I'm going to set it up, for example, on 10. I think it's enough for me and I feel comfortable with this mouse speed. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.